In today's video, we're going to show you a natural alternative to using bleach. So this soak is going to really help to whiten your clothes and get rid of any stains. What you'll need is 1 gallon of hot water, 1 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide, and then your choice of either a half cup of washing soda, not baking soda, or a half cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. To use this treatment, you'll mix all of the ingredients into a tub and then soak your clothes for 1 to 2 hours. After it's done soaking, you can pour out the solution, wring out your clothes, and wash them as normal in your washing machine. And this recipe works so well because all of the ingredients we're using are really effective natural bleaches.